This one is oolong, right? Oolong.
Yes, you can see the name here. Shengping Theater.
Okay.
And then big size is 600, small 400, and buy two get one free. Yes.
So,
You can mix.
and 25, right? You said 25?
bottles for a small size. Then buy two free one, 800. You got 3 packs. Very convenient.
Okay.
And the tea, no open. You can put 3 years, 4 years. It's open.
Okay.
Yes. You can easy to store.
Nakapagod. Anong
What do you want?
jasmine tea? Dito tayo sa Taiwan para magtingin lang ng mga tea. Ginger. Ito maganda. Ginger tea. Diba? Tapos yung oolong, nasubukan ko, nahilo tuloy ako. Ang lakas. Doon. Tapos ito pa, oh. Maamoy mo talagang bango naman itong shop na to. Wow.
Para kanino ba yan? Ate, ano ka na kami? Nakapalit ng ginger tea kasi sa'yo mo.
Cheers for the ginger tea.
Ay, sorry na.
Okay lang. Wow, malakas ah. So, natay mo ito? Ay, hindi ka pala pwede. Isa hindi ka pwede sa mga ganito. Ginger, malakas.
Ay, masarap yung ginger tea. Kaya nga, pero trinay ko
Wow.
lang. Si bro, tikman mo.
Ginger? Okay. Ang ganda ng boss mo nito, bro. Ang lakas eh. Tingnan natin yung facial reaction nito.
Special ginseng milk tea. Yeah, you can try, but it is hard. But you try little because this Taipei no, only our brand signature tea. It is American ginseng and the Taiwan oolong mixed together. This tea, because of the ginseng, so good for the lungs and the throat. Yes. People who
How much
stay
is
up
this?
late. This one, 1,002 for one, but also buy two get one free. Yes. Later you can feel your throat very comfortable.
Okay, how many minutes?
This one, at least, but it's different person, different feelings.
Different feelings?
But usually, like me, I get, the sweet aftertaste can last for about 20 minutes.
20
and
minutes.
later you not drink the drinks. You drink the water. It's still sweet.
Still sweet.
Yes. No sugar. Sugar free. Special. If you like, you can drink more.
It's okay. I will wait for the effect.
Okay. Like you come back later. Yes. Our brand only. Sometimes
very nice,
people. Sometimes people who stay up late. After the COVID, many people cough a lot. With lung issue, drinking is very nice.
It is effective for the...
And for example, like my job, I cough a lot.
Okay.
Also drink this.
So you mean this is for sleeping? Good for sleeping?
Not good for sleeping, but good for the lungs
Okay.
and the throat. Yes.
Okay. Do you have that, like that tea for good for sleeping?
No,
No?
no this kind of tea, sir. Yeah.
No, because you know jasmine tea?
I know jasmine, but jasmine tea. Jasmine.
Yeah, for sleeping, right?
Jasmine, floral tea.
Yeah, flower tea.
It's
Like
good for sleeping.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because I don't like coffee.
Yes. Because,
Tea is better.
coffee has many caffeine.
Yeah.
And
Iced tea. Kasi dito ko yung talagang...